This section is on probability with permutations and combinations. Number 1 says, a school dance committee of 4 students is selected at random from a group of 6 ninth graders, 11 8th graders, and 10 7th graders. Part A says, in how many ways can 4 students be selected from this group of 27 students? So we have 27 students, and we are trying to choose 4 of them. And because it's a committee, it's going to be C. So if they had said something like, one of the members is going to be president, one is going to be vice president, or something like that, it would be 27P4. But because it's just a committee, it's going to be 27C4, which is equal to 17,550. Part B says, in how many ways can 4 7th graders be selected from the 10 7th graders? So we have 10, and we are selecting 4 of them, and that will be 210. Part C says, find the probability that the committee has all 7th graders. So Part C is actually combining parts A and B. So the number of ways that 4 students can be chosen is going to go on the denominator. So that is the 17,550. And then on the numerator is going to be the number of ways that 4 7th graders can be chosen. And that is part B, which is 210. So then we just need to reduce this fraction. And our final answer will be 7 over 585.